This is Math for Liberal Arts Review Test 3 for Chapter 5. We're going to do question 9 to 16. Question 9 in this case is asking us to give an example. So you only give me one example that a number is integers, but it's not natural numbers. So integers in this case will be numbers that you can find in number line. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. But those numbers cannot be natural number. So natural number in this case will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numbers that cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 but can be integers will be either 0 or the negative numbers. Now, since the question here only asks us for one number, so please give me one number in your test. So one of these numbers will be correct. Question 10. Real numbers but not irrational numbers. Real numbers consist of rational and irrational. So if the question says you cannot have irrational numbers, that means rational numbers will be the right answer. Now, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are numbers that can be written down as a fraction. So if you can figure out any numbers that can be expressed as a fraction, that will be your answer. So example, fraction, 2/3. Decimals that is repeating, so that's a line to tell us it's repeating. Decimals that is terminating, and any integers. Those are the numbers that can be expressed as a fraction, and those numbers will be your right answer for rational numbers. So again, the question only ask you for one answer, so please give me one of these numbers. Question 11 to 16, you have to list all the natural numbers given us this list. So the natural number here consists of number 5, because that is the only number that is natural number. For the whole numbers, the whole number will consist of number 5 and also number 0, because those are the numbers that belongs to the whole numbers. Integers are numbers that you can find a number line. So 5 you can find a number line, negative 5 and 0. So in this case, your integer will consist of negative 5, 5 and 0. Now, in order for us to do the rational and the irrational numbers, I always call the students to do the irrational number first, because the leftovers will be the rational. The irrational numbers is like square root numbers or pi. Irrational numbers is actually decimals that is not repeating, not terminating. So in this case, the irrational number for this is square root of 5 and negative square root of 55. For the rational numbers is every number except for those two. So your answer in this case will be 5, negative 0.5, 1 over 5, negative 5, 0.55, and 0. So those are the answers for the rational numbers. And the last answer for real numbers will be every number here. Now, I do not accept your answer as all or everything, so you have to rewrite all these numbers given in the set. So all these numbers have to be rewrite in this answer. Now, on top of this, you also have to give me the curly braces and the commas. The reason why is this is all going to be in set, so you have to give me this in the curly braces and the commas.